Hey, what's up, man? Hey, what happened to you? Why you so wet? You just made a visit.
Yeah lah, the weather's so hot. I walk earlier, sweat so much already, you see?
Hey, you come in. I want to show you something.
Okay, let's go. Wow, bro, your house aircon so cold. How do you make it so cold, man?
Nah, I found Affordable Aircon Services Private Limited. They can make your whole house like winter like that. If you got any aircon problem like aircon leaking water, aircon cannot turn on, aircon not cold enough, they can settle for you.
Sure not.
Affordable Aircon Services has 23k Facebook like, more than 400 plus positive 5-star review. If you don't believe your brother, you can believe them what?
Wow, then now they got any special promotion?
What you see, Peheng, they have an unbelievable promotion right now. General aircon servicing at only $10 per unit from the second unit onwards. One anyway.
Wow, bro, can you please tell me where can I get this special promo?
Want to find out more? Click on this link below before the promo ends.
I also want the jacket.